Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture transparent in Microsoft Publisher 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make picture transparent. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and insert. Now we can see we insert a picture. Then click the picture and resize this some small. Then move the picture middle on the page. Now we want to make this picture transparent. Click the picture. Then go to the picture format menu. Then click the format shape. Or go to the adjustment option. Then select the transparency and increase the transparency. Then click OK. Now we can see we make this picture transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.